Hi, this is Alex Pault, and I'm here at the Embedded World Show with at the Advantech booth with HP Nüdling, and Embedded is going on so crazy right now. Isn't it a wonderful space to be in?
Absolutely. This show is really busy. We are really excited about the booth we're having this year. And we will attack a lot of new topics. One is to make sure that people are talking about us. You know, we are an Asian company, and we are trying to set our scene here in Europe, right? So, and we need to make sure that our people are reflecting the spirit we are living, right? So reflecting to the outside world, to our customer base. We are Europeanizing the Advantech way of living, okay? That's very important to understand because we are adding resources in terms of technical skill sets in mechanical engineering, in hardware engineering, software engineering, also wireless engineering. We do this. We did some press work on installing a Competence center in Munich, here in Germany, so German-based engineering. And this is the story we want to tell. So to reflect the people, we are local in all countries in Europe. But we also have a centralized competence center in Munich to take care of the issues and challenges customers have in designing in our embedded products.
Well, that's the name of the game, isn't it? Engineers are trying to solve all these problems, and depending on the market space, they have customer demands. They might have regulatory demands. They definitely have compatibility demands and protocol issues. That's a lot of things, and they must need your help thread all of that together.
Exactly, and that's about to be local, you know, so I'm repeating myself in this regard because I want to be very clear on this. The question you're having about certification, regulatory affairs, and normative stuff, and so on, this is something you cannot manage and consult back from Taiwan into the region. We need to have the local competencies, and that's what we have, and that's what we build up, and that's what we are reflecting to the world now. And that's how we get a really amazing, positive response from the market right now.
Well, you know, HP, when I think about it, I've seen a lot of engineering effort come into Europe in very recent times. A lot of companies are opening up design centers, test laboratories to offer to their clientele. I imagine that you're doing along the same lines. You're getting FAEs in place, you're getting all of your support lines, because they expect to pick up the phone and hear somebody.
That's embedded, you know, design in, support, design in services. This is about embedded. It's not about box moving, it's not about just selling a data sheet and a price tag. It's really about consulting the customers from scratch and go through the life cycle, right? So, and that's our pitch.
Well, that makes a lot of sense. Now, you probably have a lot of different devices here, obviously. Is there anything here that you've felt got a very good resonance? You're picking up a lot of traction with the crowd?
Yeah, maybe two things to underline. One is our very strong effort in cooperation with NXP, launching, and we are early to market, or actually first to market, in terms of our IMX8 module, right? So here we are leading the edge and making sure that our customer base understands our value proposition, including combined with the design-in services we are providing. Yeah? So that's number one. And the second one, and you see it also on the booth, is about we call it DTOS services, design-to-order services. Okay, so it's not only about to sell our modules and help to design them in the application in the target system. It is also about to consult the customers from scratch about customers' specific design specifications, to define with them the scope of work, go through them with a very professional European way, maybe even German way of project management, outbound towards the customers, also inbound to our R&D team. So we have local R&D teams in Europe, in Germany, in the countries, but for sure also a lot of engineering in Taiwan. So, and those are the two things, just to underline two major topics. Again, repeating, IMX8 module-based business, and second, design-to-order services.
Well, hey, HP, thank you so much. And where can they go to get more information? Advantech.com, is it just the straight URL?
Absolutely, yeah, and more to come on this.
Excellent. Hey, thank you again, HP. It's a busy show. I'm really glad you took the time to talk to us.
Thank you very much, appreciate it.